welcome back to my channel, QVV. Today there's a special guest and she's Sushani from Sue Adventures. Hi! So today she's going to be joining us and we're going to unbox all my presents from my party at Time Zone. We both have matching bracelets. I don't know what one is. Okay, mine. We went to Time Zone and now all the people gave me presents. So now we're gonna open my presents. Okay. So I'm gonna unbox this first. It's KV, and there's like a heart over here like that. Okay. I think it's from Just Do It. And yeah. And there's a really cute Swiggy Grashi's cow. He's so cute. Okay, and now moving on to this one. I'm gonna read the words. Day 16 June. From Megan to Kaylee. Happy birthday, Kaylee. Thank you for inviting me. Love, Kaylee. Okay, now I'm gonna open it. Okay. You wanna open it too? Yeah, sure. There we go. Oh. We have this very cute pencil case inside. It's so cute. See? Like this. It's from Sniggles. It's so cute. I love it. And I love this Swiggy Grashy sound as well. What is the Swiggy Grashy sound? Here. This. I love this as well. It's so cute. Now we're gonna open maybe this one. Yeah. So we have this. It's from her, and she gave me this bracelet. We can make this set. Later, maybe I will make a video of me and her playing this. Okay. And we're gonna unbox it now. Yeah. Oh wait, no. Okay, you pull the box, and I. Oh, okay. Oh my God. Here. Okay. Now this golden box with no design. Whoa! So this is nice. There's all the letters here, and then there's like special charms. Oh, this one looks so nice. I like this one. See? And there's a string inside as well. Yeah. I'm gonna choose the light pink one. Yeah. Oh, then there's this manual over here. Oh, I can teach you how to make it. Yeah. Okay, that's very long. We'll do that in another video. Yeah. Alright, and meanwhile, we're just gonna next one. We're gonna close up the wait. We're gonna close up the golden box. This and put it aside. We're gonna put a rubbish over there. And now we're gonna unbox this one. Happy birthday, Kimi from Tong Tong Jie and Xavier Sucker. I'm so excited to see what. Okay, I don't know how to unbox. Maybe we can start from the. This is like the little thing. Oh. Bubble wrap! It's bubble wrap! Okay. We'll play this bubble wrap later. And now I'm just gonna open it. Okay, what is it? I don't know. It's a nail. Some nail stuff. And we have this nail stickers. Here. And I think this is we need a scissors. And we have the zip. I'm gonna unzip it. And whoa! You can put all your accessories in here. You can put your things in here. And this small pocket. And there's also this over here, and you can put your rings in here. It's so cute. I like it. And especially this nail thingy. Very nice. Okay, we put the present over here. And rubbish. But we're gonna keep the bubble wrap. Yeah. And there's the next one. There's the next one. This is from my friend Alicia, and she bought it from Twinkle Princess. And this is this cake. I'm gonna cut it. The scissors over here. And whoa, we have this Harry Potter lunchbox. She knows I love Harry Potter. And let's open it. Here we can put like stuff in here. Then maybe my water bottle, maybe. And here, oh, I can put a lot of like food in here. A lot of space in here. I love it. Okay. And now we're gonna move on to the next. Oh, and also there's this glitter glow pen. So cute. Glow pen. And it's this. Okay, here are. It says I can turn into this glass things. And yeah. Now I'm gonna put those things aside. And yeah. Now I'm gonna unbox this one. The last present. Okay. This is from. Put these inside. Elijah and Elric. Okay, let's unbox it. And okay. Okay. Oh, what is this? Ooh, fun. Oh, there's also a bracelet thing. Nice. You can also play with it later. It's the cover, and then there's and also this fire flash. Ooh, wow. They will fly. You have to show them up, then they will fly. And no, you have to put it in like this. Yeah, and you put it, and then there's like there. Yeah, and after it will blow the thing up. It's and 142 cm. Oh yeah. My god. This is so warm. And after that, you have to catch the fishes. Oh, I look all my presents. It's so nice. That's a lot. I lost all my presents so far, and this is the end of my video. Bye. Bye.